So right now I want to tell you about the story of my past life, and I have a title too for it. The title is Struggle Before a New Journey. So everyone certainly have a bad past, and of course I have one too. Bad thing happened because the lack of knowledge and underestimate the life problem. And the last moment of my senior high school, that is the moment that I must always remember. That was the real moment of my downfall. The moment that became my biggest regret, as well as my motivation to forging ahead. The regret comes from my stupidity to think that I have a type. When I graduated from my senior high school, I had to face many challenges. Started with the death of my grandmother. She was the one of the most closest person to me in my family. After that, I had to struggle for entrance examination university to continue my study. I experienced many failure and desperate. At some point, I almost gave up in my life. Something that makes me strong back then is my family, that always support me even though they have their own problem. If they have heart and time to support me, then I had to use all of me to achieve the best. Now I realize I'm just nothing back then, just a man with ambition and desperately struggle, but not wise and benevolent at all. The most important thing for me right now is to make myself better than before.